So what does persistent mean? Persistent describes someone or something that continues to exist or try, despite challenges, difficulties, or obstacles. A persistent person doesn't give up easily and keeps going even when things are tough. It's a positive quality that shows determination, perseverance, and a willingness to keep trying. Example, his persistent efforts to improve his skills eventually paid off. Let's look at more examples of how persistent is used. She was persistent in her search for a job, applying to several companies every week. The persistent rain ruined the outdoor event, but the organizers didn't give up and moved it indoors. Being persistent in studying helped him pass the difficult exam. In these examples, persistent describes someone who doesn't give up and continues their efforts even when it seems hard or when things aren't going their way. You might be wondering, when should I use the word persistent? You use persistent when talking about someone who shows determination or when something continues without stopping. It's often used in the context of effort, determination, or continuation despite challenges. For example, if someone works hard toward their goal despite setbacks, you can describe them as persistent. Example, he is persistent in trying to learn a new language even though it's difficult. Quick recap, persistent means continuing or trying hard without giving up, especially when facing challenges. It's a positive quality that shows determination and perseverance. You use persistent to describe someone who doesn't give up easily and keeps trying even when things get tough. Now you know what persistent means and how to use it in different contexts.